Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change flashlight light's intensity in Realme 14 Pro phone. So how to do it? First we need to swipe from the top edge down again, and here we have the flashlight. We have this triangle icon here pointing down. We need to press the flashlight word, and here we have our flashlight options. So at the bottom we can change the warmth of the flashlight color, and here we can change its intensity by using these levels. Let's leave it in the lower. And of course we can change the warmth of the light. And when we back out we can turn it on or off tapping this icon here. And that's all. Goodbye.